everyone, welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm your designer Cecile from the Makers Design Studio. It is a 4-room BTO located in the north. Space limitations were a major challenge. To tackle this, I took a bold step by demolishing all the walls and reconfigure the layout. This allowed us to prioritize space optimization, ensuring we have maximized storage solution to meet the family needs. We aim to evoke a sense of warmth that appeals to both adults and kids alike. It's all about creating a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere that really reflects the family personality. It all started with a thorough need assessment. From there, I developed a detailed space plan that optimized the layout and flow of the space. This allowed us to maximize functionality and efficiency, ensuring that the design not only looks great, but also feel comfortable and practical for the homeowners.